In this video, we will discuss about difference between artificial intelligence and human intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is created and programmed by human. Human intelligence arises from biological evolution and development. AI learns from data and algorithms. Human learns through experience, environment and social interaction. AI processes massive amounts of data instantly. Humans are slower with large data sets. AI can operate continuously without fatigue. Human needs rest, sleep and nutrition to function effectively. AI is limited understanding of emotions and social communication. Human are highly capable of emotional intelligence and interpersonal communication. Decisions are purely objective, based on data analysis. Decisions are influenced by subjective experience and emotions. AI generates consistent and accurate results based on programmed rules. Humans may make errors due to oversight or distraction. AI can only remember what is programmed into it. Humans have long-term memory and can remember past experiences and events. AI depends on the data given to them. Human beings use brain power. AI need reprogramming or retraining to adjust to new scenarios. Humans adapt quickly to change and unexpected scenarios.